Over there, you can see the trees are really changing finally. Beautiful, clear skies all day long. Well, all good things got to come to an end, and as you see, it's kind of building up across. Ding, 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 ding. And come on down, here we go. Yep, there you go. That's looking off towards the west. That's more accurately west, where the car headlights are coming from. This is my little peace and quiet place. Abandoned property, then they made a conservative out of it. And so it turned out to be a really good camping spot, and it's turned out to be a good grow spot. Ah, yes. I love it in the springtime here, when all the baby ducks are going up and down the pond here. And as you see, I'm not smoking a joint. It's not lit. Okay, so you can't say I'm doing that, because I'm not. I'm a good guy. Okay, well, let me rephrase. No. And by the way, Jason, down in Australia, anyways, on the western side of Perth. Dang, sorry. Anyway, he's over there in Perth. Hey, Jason, it's getting ready to turn winter here, so that means it's got to be turning spring there. And you had to go and hurt your back. By the way, everybody, Jason is, what the hell? He's the coin Aussie, AUSSIE, Aussie Coin Pusher. He has his channel named that, Aussie Coin Pusher. And there's a guy named Ron that has the Euro Coin Pusher. And Joe has the real deal. He's called Coin Pusher. CoinPusher100 at Gmail. He's the real deal. If you want to know what my project is getting ready to be released, watch them 3 channels, and give it a fair shot. Watch it from beginning to ending, and know that I've gathered inspiration in the cannabis industry, and I am a smartass. So be aware that the Cannabis Coin Pusher is getting ready to be released in about 118, 119, 120 more subscribers. Then I'll start releasing them. Arcade Matt, you want to have some fun with, coin pushers and claw machines and making money? Don't hesitate to watch Arcade Matt, because he's really come a long ways in a short time about making money, about making knowledge available to other people about how to make money legitimately. We're all in this together, guys. 420. That's how long this video is. Love you.